99% or 90%, let's say 90% students are just going to be feel that mathematics is a difficult subject. It is not the easiest one. It is just because they don't have a strong grip on algebra. It is just a single one topic. All right. So the most of the students are going to be weak in mathematics because they are weak in algebra. The mathematics is going to be difficult subject for him or her because they are weak in algebra. They, uh, they did not, the concept of the algebra is not going to be clear. Okay. So still, I'm going to be say it again that numbers and mostly the algebra is just going to be the backbone of mathematics. You are strong in algebra, you have a strong math. If you are weak in algebra, this means that you are weak in the whole mathematics, not only the single topic. For example, if you are going to be weak in trigonometry, you are going to be lose only the marks in trigonometry. If you are weak in transformation, you can lose the marks in only in transformation. If you're weak in probability, so you are going to be lose the marks in probability only. If you are going to be weak in algebra, mark my words, if you are weak in algebra, you are going to be lose the marks in the whole paper, in trigonometry, in mensuration, in transformation, in probability, everything. All right. I'm just going to be tell you about the importance of algebra. Okay. Obviously, I will start the algebra from a very scratch, okay, from very basic thing. So just try your best to do the worksheets that I send you and listen the lecture carefully, and obviously revise the lecture. Obviously, when I'm going to send you the PDF, you must have to be revise it. All right, everyone. Let's see how to start it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let's see how to start it. We have the first thing in algebra that is about constant, and the second thing that is in algebra that is variable. Yes, anyone knows what is constant and what is variable in algebra or in maths simply? Yes, anyone
Sir,
knows? Yes.
constant is a number.
Salam, sir.
Walaikum salam. Yes,
Constant. Constant is just a number. A constant.
constant is a number. Okay,
And variable is a letter of any alphabet.
and the alphabet. All right. In mathematics, we are going to be treat that symbols as a constant that have a fixed value. We are going to simply say that they are the symbols having a fixed value. They are known as constant. Means if I will write, it's a symbol. Obviously, you know that it's a 4. You know the value of this one. In the same way, if I will write this sign, you know that it's a symbol. You know the value of this one, that is 3.14 something, right? So obviously, these are the different symbols that have a fixed value. So those symbols in mathematics that are having a fixed value, they are known as constants. And in other words, symbols without fixed value, they are known as variables. For example, when you are going to solve the questions, you are getting different answers. For example, sometimes you are getting the different value of x, you are different value of y and z. Mostly we are using the last alphabets as a variable and the starting alphabets as a constant. Means maybe we have done it the equation ax square plus bx plus c. is equal to 0. So looks at here, it's like equation in which x is variable, a, b, c, basically showing the constants. Okay. So, but obviously, in simple words, the symbols that have a fixed value, they are constant, and variables without they don't have a fixed value, they are variable. Obviously, it is not a bookish definition. It's just for the understanding. Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
next thing is that is algebraic operations. Algebraic operations. Obviously, we had done that operations in numbers as well. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, cube root, square, and so on. Okay, these are the different algebraic expression operations that we are going to be doing. Means we are adding two terms, we are subtracting two terms, we are multiplying, we are taking a square root, we are taking a square, we are taking a cube. Like these, all the things basically are the algebraic operations. Now, the most important thing is that is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is you are going to be combine the variable, you are going to be write the variable and constant together with the help of algebraic operations. All right, you're writing variables and constants. You're going to be write together. You are meeting the variables and constant with the help of algebraic operations. So the thing that is going to be formed that is known as algebraic expression. For example, if I will write 4x plus 3, what 4 is a constant term, 3 is a constant term, and x is variable. What is the relation between 4 and x? Yes, what is the relation between 4 and x?
They are multiplying.
Multiplying. And the
Yes, sir.
relation between 4x and 3 is addition.
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 So look at here, we have combined the variable and constant with the help of algebraic expression, algebraic operations. So the thing that is formed that is known as algebraic expression. There is no equality sign in it. Okay, there is no equality sign. And if I'm going to say that it is a meaning, it is meaningless. Meaningless means obviously in, for example, in English, you are going to be say some sentence. So if you are going to be say it completely, so it have a proper meaning. You have to just say, for example, no, I will say that note down the question number 7. Okay, it's a complete sentence. Obviously, it's a meaning. I just say that note. Obviously, its note is not only the complete meaning. It's not. It is a meaningless. In the same way, in mathematics, algebraic expressions are meaningless. It does not have a complete meaning. All right. So in the same way, you can write different expressions, right? You have 4x squared plus 7x plus 3, right? So all of these, the relation between addition, subtraction, and the rest of the things. The next thing is now we have different type of algebraic expressions. The first type is that is linear expression. Linear expression is an expression in which highest power is 1. The highest power of the variable is going to be 1. For example, you have I'm going to write standard form, and here I'm going to be write the examples. So the highest power in linear expression, the highest power is going to be 1. If we are going to talk about the standard form, it is ax plus b. For example, you have 4x plus 3, 9x plus 7, only 6x. All right. So all of these are linear expressions. Why? Because the highest power is 1. For example, if I'm going to be write 4x plus 3x squared plus 2, so obviously it is not linear because in the whole
So is it
expression the highest power is 2.
quadratic?
Yeah, it is a quadratic. It is not a linear one. Yes, everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The second one is the quadratic expression. Quadratic expression is, let's take it. The highest power in the quadratic expression is 2. The standard form is going to be ax squared plus bx plus c. If you are going to be talk about the example, you have 4x squared plus 7x plus 3, 2x squared plus 7x, 3x squared plus 4, only 7x squared. So look at here, it is going to be quadratic expression because you have the highest power of the variable is 2. It doesn't matter you are going to be cut off the 3, cut out the 7x. If you have in the whole expression, if you have highest power is x here, means the whole expression is going to be quadratic expression. Clear? Yes, everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next thing is
Yes,
that
sir.
is known
Yes,
as,
sir.
all right, cubic expression. Cubic means what is going to be the highest power?
Cube 3.
3.
The highest power is going to be, the standard form is ax cubed plus bx plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And we are going to be can write different examples. For example, you have 4x cubed plus 3x squared, 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. For example, if I will remove 7, so obviously it is still quadratic. I'll just write two terms. I'm going to be write only plus 7. It is still quadratic. 7x cubed plus 5x squared, or x, it is still quadratic. Why it is cubic? Because the highest power is 3, just because of this one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now I will take it. Now we are going to be do the algebraic equation. Algebraic equations. The algebraic equation is basically a meaningful thing. It has a complete word. For example, you have written here is equal to 0, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. In mathematics, it have a proper meaning. All right. He is saying a complete thing means you are multiplying two terms, adding with 3. Their answer is going to be 0. It's have a proper meaningful thing. All right. Simply, if you have to be add In this one, you have a equality sign. It is going to be look like this. You have an expression is equal to any other expression. Okay. Look at here, having a power. If you have 0, it means that you have x raised to power 0. You have nothing here. The constant of x is 0 basically, but still it is algebraic expression, linear, quadratic, cubic expression. So linear, quadratic, and cubic. Yes, Ibrahim, can you say it? I did not get you.
So these linear, quadratic, and cubic, are they expressions or equations?
First of all, we have to discuss the expressions.
Mhm.
All right. We have discussed the expression in which
Yes.
you don't have an equality sign. They are meaningless. Okay. Now we are doing the equation. So I'm going to be change it, a small change. What it is? Expression is equal to expression. The thing that is going to be formed, that is a equation. That is a meaningful thing. Look at here. Without equality sign is an expression. When I have to write equal to 0, or let's say I will write equal to 3x plus 7. Now it will become a equation.
Okay.
Okay. On the left side, you have an expression. On the right side, you have an expression. The thing that is going to be formed when you have an equality sign, it is going to be an equation. Okay, make a difference between them. In the same way, we are going to be talk about linear, not expression. We're talking about linear equation. It is everything is going to be same. The highest power of the variable is 1, but the standard form is ax square, ax plus bx is equal to 0. Just write equal to 0. Equality is going to be added, so it will become a equation. In the same way, in example, just write different expression. Let's say I have to write 3x. Here I have to write 4x plus 7, 2x plus 3. So look at here, I just write different expressions on the other side. So I'm making a equality sign between the two expressions. So the thing that is formed, that is known as equation. And in the whole equation, the highest power of the variable is 1. So that's why it is a linear equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, the next one is quadratic equation. In a quadratic equation, the highest power of the variable is 2. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. If you are talking about the example, just write any other expression on the other side. We can write 0. We can write 4x. We can write 3x square plus 7x. We can write 9x plus 3. Any expression on the other side, but the power must be lesser than 2 or lesser than 2. Obviously, if you are writing more than 2, so it will not still remain quadratic. It will become cubic or the biquadratic or other one. Yes, quadratic equation is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now the last one is cubic. Yes, anyone have a question? Okay, next one is cubic. Equation. Cubic equation means the highest power of the variable is 3 and just add equal to 0. It is the standard form of the equation. Without equality sign, it is a standard form of expression. Okay, just make a difference between expression and equation. Now, I just write different examples. Or where are the rest of the examples? No, here they are. So let's we have to write equal to 0 is equal to 2x square plus 3, 9x cube plus 7x is equal to 1. So look at here, I just write another expression on the other side. So the thing is going to become a equation. I just write it with the red one, so you can easily get that what is expression, what is equation. Equation is a meaningful thing, expression is a meaningless thing. This is a very basic thing about algebra. Yes, anyone have a question about it?
No.
No, sir.
All
No,
right.
sir.
Now let's see how mostly we are going to be write our expression. We are just going to be work on expressions now. Now we are going to be write the expressions into different form. The one is known as expanded form. The second one is known as factor form. Expanded form means you have to be write an expression like they are adding or subtracting in the form of sum or difference. In factor form, basically we are going to be write like a multiplication in the product form. For example, we have 4x plus 2. So look at here, we have two terms here, they are adding. So this is the form of, this is the expanded form. If you will take 2 as a common, it will be 2x plus 1. Now look at here, the same thing I write it into the factor form. I just take 2 as a common, it is adding, now they are multiplying in the form of product. So this form is known as expanded form and this is known as factor form. We can do more questions as well. For example, you have x square minus 4. So look at here, they have two terms, they are subtracting. It is exactly equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. How we can convert it, that's a separate question. I'm not talking about that thing. It is exactly equal to this one. But in this form, they are multiplying. This whole term is multiplying with this whole term. So it is a factor form. Here, the whole term is subtracting. So in simple words, the expanded form is you are writing in the form of addition and subtraction. And in factor form, you have to write the expression in the product form, in the multiplication form. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayan, Shayan, Zafar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, interesting thing. When you are moving from expanded form to factor form, expanded form to factor form, this process is known as factorization. When you are converting from expanded form to factor form, it is known as factorization. And you are writing from factor form to expanded form, it is known as expansion. Clear? Yes, everyone. This thing is clear now.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
factorization?
sir.
What is expansion? Okay. Now, today's our topic is about expansion. This is the very first topic in algebra. So now we are going to be work on expansion. And obviously, you know that in expansion, we are going to be write in form of somewhat, or say, the command word that is going to be used in the exam, that is expand. All right. In expansion, for example, you have 4 into x plus 2. Yes, how we can expand it? We are going to be multiply 4 inside the bracket will be x and 4 will multiply with the second term that is 2. So it will be 4x, 4 times 2 is 8. Like this. Is it clear?
Yeah.
In the same way, for example, if you have two terms, you have x plus 4 into x minus 3. In these type of expansion, you have to multiply the first term with x minus 3. Take the second term. I just take the first term and multiply with the whole term. Now I'm taking the second term, that is plus 4x, and multiply with the next whole term. Now x multiplied by x, that is x squared, minus x multiplied by 3, that is 3x, plus 4 multiplied by x is 4x, plus multiply minus is minus, 4 times 3 is 12. In this case, we have they are the same coins. We can add or subtract. Okay, same kind means you have x values, you can add x square values, x will be added in the x square values, x cube value is going to be added with the x cube values. So 4x minus 3x will be equal to plus x minus 12. Because plus 4 minus 3, different sign you have to subtract and put the sign of bigger term. Yes, everyone, expansion is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's see how to go start the practice. I will open the worksheet. Just a minute. Yes. Yes, Rania, tell me the answer of this one.
4y plus 8.
4y plus 4 times 2 is 8. Yes, Arisha. Next question.
2h minus 8.
8. Yes, sir. Yes, everyone, turn on your mic screen. Yes.
10w plus 15.
10w plus 15. Muhammad Ibrahim.
10y
No. 3 times 2 is
6y minus 3.
3. Yes, Fajr.
10x plus 35.
35. Yes, Malaika.
30 minus 9. Y.
30 minus 9y. Yes, Mirza Abiyan.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. 18 minus 12x.
Yes, Neha.
6w minus 10y.
Yes, 10y. Yes, Ayan.
8m minus 12p.
Yes, Shayan. Shayan Zafar. Yes, Rania.
X squared plus 3x.
Yes, Arisha.
Sir,
A
isn't
square.
it
Yes, Rania.
3x?
Oh, sorry. Forgot.
A square minus 9a.
A square minus 9a. Just a minute.
Wait, sir, why isn't it like 9a squared instead of...
Why 9a square? A multiplied by 9, that is 9a.
Okay, okay.
Yes, Yasir. If anyone is here, you did not understand any part, so you have to be asked the question, okay? I'm just going to be assume that all of you are, it's a very simple question and it is clear, very clear for all of you. If still there is anyone who are going to be stuck it, you did not understand the answer, so you can ask the questions. Yes, who is the next one? Yasir?
Yes. So 3y squared plus 5y
3y squared
plus
plus
5y.
5y. Yes, Muhammad Ibrahim.
So 10y squared plus 5y.
Okay.
9x squared minus 6x.
Malaika.
16x squared minus 40x.
You have to do a non-calculator paper, so make us your calculation strong, okay? Yes, next one, Evian.
Okay, so minus 3y plus
Minus multiplier plus is
minus 6.
6. Yes, Neha.
6xy minus 12 12x.
Yes, Ayan.
18 EF minus 27 27E.
70. Yes, Shayan. Yes, Shayan, are you here? Okay, Rania.
Minus 2y plus 8.
Aisha.
3x plus 15
Okay.
plus 2x
2x
plus 2.
plus 2. Now,
5x.
they are the same kinds,
Yeah,
and these two are the
5x
same kinds. Okay. 5x,
plus 15.
15.
Sorry, 17.
Yeah. You have to write the answer here as well. Okay. Who is the next one? Yasir.
Sir, 4x minus 4 plus 6x plus 15. And it will be 4x plus 6x. So it will be 10x. 4 plus 15. It might
Minus 4 plus 15.
minus 19.
If you have different signs, you have to be subtract.
Oh,
15 minus 4, that is 11.
11.
And put the sign of the bigger term. The bigger term is positive. So positive 11. Yes, Muhammad Ibrahim.
Sir, that would be y cubed plus 3y.
Yes, Fajr.
2w cube minus 10w.
2w cube, 2 multiplied by 3
It's 6.
minus
10w.
10w. Yes, Malaika.
8y square minus 16y.
Y 16. Just one y square is multiplying. 8 is not multiplying. It is multiplying.
16y cube.
Now 8 is not multiplying. It's a 1 here. It is 1 y square. So 1 multiplied by 2, that is going to be 2 only. The relation between 8 and minus 2 is subtraction. They are subtracting. Obviously, they are different kinds of, we cannot subtract. The number that is outside is going to be multiplied with each term. So 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. Y square multiplied by y, that is y cube. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the next one like as well. Malaika, tell me about this one.
21
14. 2 times 7 is 14. Bases are same, add the powers.
x cube
X cube plus
6
6.
cube x cube.
It is only x square and there is no x. X square.
X square. Sorry.
Yeah. All right, Ms. Abian.
Yes, sir.
Tell me that.
8x cube
8x cube.
minus 20x squared.
X square. Yes, Neha.
3a cube
Squared.
plus
It's one. So it's squared.
2 square 2a square c.
Yeah. Yes, Ayan.
Sir, it will be 7x plus 21.
7 times 4 is 21.
No, 28.
Yeah, 28. 5 times 3 is
Plus 15.
5 times 2 is
10x.
10x.
So it will be
These are the same kind.
negative 3x.
Yeah. Minus 10 plus 7. Signs are different. You have to subtract, put the sign of a bigger term. So negative 3x. Yes. 28 plus 15.
28 plus 15 will be 45 or 43.
3. Yeah. 43. Yes, Ayan. Now are you here? All right, everyone. Do this question and send me a picture in the group. Do this question in the notebook and send it to me in the group.
So we should do question 29.
Yes, question 29. I just send the picture. Nice, sweet.
No, sir, it's wrong. I have again.
All right, do it again. Yes, everyone. It's a very simple question. Do it fast and send the picture in the group.
Yes, sir. I sent it to you.
All right, I'll check. Minus 5 plus 4 W. 19W plus 4W, that is. Where is W here?
Yes, I said.
It is 23W minus 5. Yeah, that's correct. When you're sending me the picture, just try your best to crop it because you can easily crop in the WhatsApp. All right, so Fajr again send me the picture. Yes, start the next question if you have done it. In this one, look at here, it is not 19 is not multiplying. The relation between the first term and the second term is subtraction. It is minusing, it is subtracting. So you have to multiply the minus sign only inside the bracket. It will be 19w minus 10 plus is minus 5 minus multiplied by minus is going to be plus 4w. Now 19w, 4w is 23w minus 5. All right.
Yes, sir.
Shayan, you have to, Ayan, I think you have to do the same mistake. I'm doing this one and start the next one. Okay, you obviously I just do this question obviously because I know that in we are going to be do the question in this pattern. So 90% I'm sure that you have to do the same mistake. First of all, you have to find the relation. What is the relation between the two terms? Okay, so it's a negative. So 19w minus 5 and minus 10 minus is plus 4w. 19 and 4 will be 23w minus 5. Yes, do the next question. Yes, everyone, you are doing the question.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I think then you'll send the picture. Or just send the picture again. I brought the picture. 14 minus 6x minus 8x plus 18 plus 32y. 14y, 32y is going to be 646 minus. Now, here you have a mistake. Look at here. It is minus 6x minus 8x. I told you if you have the same sign, so add them. So it will be minus 14x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, send Aisha send the picture. Everyone, please send a cropped picture. Yes, Risha, your answer is correct. Here's the next one. Ayan. Everyone. Nice, that's correct. Now everyone, you are getting the same answer, right? Yes, there is anyone who is getting a different answer or won't be able to do? There is anyone who is not able to do the question? Oh, who sent me this picture? Ibrahim? Oh,
Yes, sir.
how you will do this question?
So I just did it how I normally do it.
No, look at here. You have multiplied. It is okay.
Yes, I just distributed upon each.
Oh, okay. You have to write it and then this is on. It's a long process. Just try to do this by this way. Okay.
Okay.
Because obviously now you are in IGCSE and we are going to be do the questions with obviously the longer questions, the structural questions, and obviously you don't have enough space in the papers that you can do like this way. Okay, it is correct. It is not wrong, but obviously the space is going to be lesser. All right. Here's the next one. Neha. Mhm. That's correct. It's Abhiyan. Yeah, that's correct. Like send the picture. Yes. All right, everyone. This question is clear. I hope. Now this is the last one. That's I have to do. We have to multiply it with the first term. Bases are same. We have to be add the powers. So 5 plus 4 plus y raised to power, w raised to power 5 multiplied by 3 is 3. W raised to power 5. The final answer will be y raised to power 9 plus 3 w 5. Okay. Yes. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
No,
All
sir.
right.
No, sir.
I'm just adding some questions at the last. Obviously, these are just practicing questions, not at all, past paper questions. But try your best to do these questions, okay? They are the important ones. So obviously, they are the bookish questions. This one and this one. So these are the questions that you have to do. All right? That is your homework. Yes, anyone have a question to hear?
No.